Yeah, and we started off the day with widespread rain throughout the Central Valley, mixed precipitation across the higher elevations, and also seeing some snow already across some of the higher elevations. And we really weren't expecting a huge transition of this until later on tonight. And now we do have a brief break, as Shannon had mentioned, but that's following after seeing quite a bit of rain push its way through the Central Valley. Why am I emphasizing rain? Well, you noticed, you probably saw all of that brine, all of that salt, all of that treatment on the roads already from yesterday. A lot of that going to be washed away from some of the rain that we had this morning, and so that's going to make impacts even more widespread as we go throughout the day to the afternoon today, and then going throughout the day tomorrow. Your Skywatch 10 radar is showing a little bit of everything. Right now we are continuing to see rain, sleet, and snow across parts of East Tennessee. Yes, we are in a little bit of a window with some drier weather right now. More of those showers, sleet, and snow will continue to return as we go into the early part of the afternoon. Futurecast models showing that we'll probably see a lot of this activity by mid-morning. Again, more cold rain, more sleet, and more snow going to be likely. It really will not be until this afternoon by about 4, 5, 6 o'clock that we start to see that magic switch. That cold air continues to move into the area and all of the precipitation transitions into snow. And that is when we will start to see these accumulations pick up. Biggest question is going to be how fast will that snow fall, and is it going to overtake some of the warmer temperatures that we're going to have near the surface in the Central Valley? And if that is the case, then we will start to see some snow accumulations. Higher elevations obviously going to have a much better potential of seeing some substantial snow. In fact, Newfound Gap already 6.4 inches of snow just from what has happened this morning. So folks, we've had snow. It has been happening. You've been seeing the pictures. You've been seeing the videos. We have it in place. You may not get it in your area, but we certainly do have snow across East Tennessee. As we take a look at your 3-day forecast, today and tomorrow going to be blustery and cold with highs in the 30s. We dry out by Tuesday with temperatures back into the 40s, and more rain and maybe even a few more flurries possible by the end of the week. We're going to talk much more about this coming up in your full forecast. Shannon.